Pakistani human smugglers operating in areas bordering Afghanistan are tracking in money as thousands of Afghans try to exit their country by clandestine means following the falls of Kabul to the Taliban. Thousands of Afghans are fleeing Afghanistan to escape the new Taliban regime and seek asylum in different nations, including the US and many European nations, in quest of a better living environment. Business has been booming even before the Taliban entered Kabul. We have smuggled in around 1,000 people from across the border since last week, and business is booming. Hamid Gul, who operates from a small town near the Chaman-Spin Boldak border with Afghanistan, told PTI over telephone. He was reluctant to divulge how much they charged for smuggling the Afghani people into Pakistan, but Hamid was also the only one willing to speak to this correspondent. But he also confirmed that there were others like him operating from near borders town. These people are afraid of what will happen under the Taliban rule and just want to get out of Afghanistan in whatever way possible, and for that they are willing to pay whatever we demand and also be smuggled into Pakistan, he said. He said the human smugglers operate clandestinely from border areas and use their own transport to smuggle the Afghanis into Pakistan. A source who is aware of this human smuggling racket said they mostly operate from border areas like Chaman, Chagi and Badani in the recessive Balochistan province. The source said most of the unofficial refugees tend to move on to Quetta or other Pakistani cities once they are safely in Pakistan, and some of them already have relatives working in Karachi or Quetta who are there to support them. And they tend to mix very quickly with Afghan population on the outskirts of Karachi, he said. For the last many years, a proper Afghan village has exited near the national highway linking Karachi to the rest of the Pakistan, while there are also other smaller Afghan settlements near Sorab Goth, from where the highway starts to exit Karachi. Tajwali, an Afghan cloth trader who has been living in Karachi for the last 25 years and is now legally registered as a Pakistan citizen, said he is not surprised at the influx of his countrymen as they just want security and peace, which has been missing in Afghanistan since the Russian invasion. Like so many other refugees around the world, they just want to live a normal, peaceful life, he said. News Desk Kaumudy, English.